Welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments. I'm your host, Nancy Myrland. We need to talk about AI agents. You've heard me, or maybe you've read something I've posted before about the fact that we are entering the agentic era of artificial intelligence, where instead of generative AI, where we put in prompts, we put in requests to ChatGPT or the others, and they spit out output, what we've requested, agentic AI agents are going to do things for us on our behalf, whether that is making flight reservations, making dinner reservations, going out and finding the best CLE based on what it knows we are interested in, talking to someone else who we need to schedule a meeting with, whatever that might be. Agents and agentic artificial intelligence is definitely on the rise. The tools are being built with lightning speed. You may have heard recently about Amazon, and they are reigniting Alexa and Alexa Plus. And Alexa Plus will be able to do things for you. And we're going to see more and more of that. And so what I want to plant in your minds, I'm not asking you to do anything right now, but what I want to plant in your minds is that I want you to start thinking about the ways that you can begin to stand out and truly connect with your clients and potential clients, referral sources, members of the media, all those people who are important to you in your practice, and find ways to actually connect with them in real time, real life, real you. Because what we're going to start to see happen is that your agent is going to talk to your client's agent and do the scheduling of your meetings. No human being is going to be involved. Now, yes, this is a ways off, but not necessarily. For those who are adopting this, it could be, in 2 weeks, could be in a week, could be in a month or 5 months. So it doesn't necessarily mean it's that far off. And what that could mean is that some people are going to have their agent write all of their blog posts, post them on their site for them, look at the comments if there are any, if you even accept comments, and reply to people. This is a very sterile world that is going to leave you out of the equation if you let it. So what I want us to start thinking about is how we can infuse you into your interaction with those people who are the most important to you, so that when they have ignited agents on their end, and maybe you have too, that you can actually bypass those and make sure those people are hearing from you and connecting with you, not your agent. I'm not saying don't use agents. I'm pretty bullish on, and I'm a realist about artificial intelligence and its growth, but I want you to become aware of that. All right, if you want to talk about this, just let me know. I'm at nancy@myrlandmarketing.com, and that's MYRLAND marketing.com. All right, till next time, I'm Nancy Myrland. Take care.